Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change sound effect volume in Pokémon Sleep. To do this, we'll need to click on the three lines in the top right corner of our screen. Now move to General Settings. Inside, select Sounds, and there's a sound effects that you can adjust using this slider. You can also click on this volume button to mute this sound entirely. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.